Welcome back, guys. In this session I'm going to show you how you can create this alphabetical pattern. So first thing what you are going to do is put a box around your pattern and write down how many rows it has and how many columns it has. I have taken all the rows as I and all the columns as J. So I have to run a loop for all the rows which starts from 1 till 5. Okay, see, it starts from here 1 2 3 4 and 5 and J also. So inside every row I'm going to start a J loop which runs from 1 to 5. Okay, so now to do this program you should know the ASCII values of alphabets. Okay, I want to see the first alphabet is A, then inside the J loop it is going to increment itself, then it becomes capital C, capital D and capital E like this. Okay, so what you have to do is when you start your I loop, okay, when you start your I loop, there you should initialize the ASCII value that integer num equal to 65. Okay, then you are going to start your J loop like this, and inside the J loop you are going to print that particular character, okay, at this number 65. Okay, so when I is equal to 1, okay, when J is equal to 1, okay, it is going to print the character at that particular number 65, that is capital A. As soon as you printed A, I'm going to say inside the J loop itself that number plus plus, so the next number is 66. So this J loop is going to run when J equal to 2, then the character becomes capital B like this. Okay, then again when J equal to 3, J equal to 4 and J equal to 5. Now when J loop ends, okay, I have written here system.out.println, means the line is going to change where I loop is going to start one more time and I becomes 2. Here I becomes 2 and it is going to enter like this. Okay, so the next line of code it is finding is the number has been reinitialized to 65 itself. Okay, then it comes inside the J loop and it is going to print again the character at number 65, that is here at the starting range. Okay, then inside the J loop itself I have written num plus plus. So this loop when it runs for 5 times, okay, the number value keeps changing from 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 like this till it becomes E. Then once the J loop has ended, it is going to change the line one more time. So when the line changes here, when the I becomes 3, what is the next line of code it is going to find? That it is number has been reinitialized to 65 itself. Okay, so this will run like this, 5 rows and 5 columns. So here inside the I loop I'm going to initialize the value, okay, integer number is equal to 65. Then this inside the J loop, inside system.out.print statement, I'm going to say inside parenthesis character. Okay, come outside the parenthesis and say number, which means character at this particular number, which is 65. So now inside the J loop itself you have to say num plus plus. Now here when the line changes, okay, the for loop for the I is again going to start where the next line of code it is going to find is 65 itself. So I'm going to save this program. Let's run it once. Oh, sorry. Okay, we are going to see the pattern 5x5 alphabetical pattern like this. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next topic.